Welcome to our History channel for easy and fun learning. This video covers an important event with a quick overview of what happened and its importance. Join us on a journey through the past. The Punic Wars were a series of 3 wars fought between Rome and Carthage from 264 BCE to 146 BCE. These wars were significant in shaping the course of Western civilization and had a profound impact on both the Roman and Carthaginian empires. The First Punic War, 264 BCE to 241 BCE, was fought over control of Sicily. Carthage had controlled the island for centuries, but Rome saw it as a valuable piece of territory that would provide them with strategic advantages in the Mediterranean. The war lasted for over 20 years, with both sides suffering heavy losses. In the end, Rome emerged victorious and gained control of Sicily. The Second Punic War, 218 BCE to 201 BCE, was fought between Rome and Carthage over control of the Mediterranean. Hannibal Barca, a Carthaginian general, famously marched his army across the Alps to attack Rome from the north. This campaign is regarded as one of the greatest military achievements in history. However, despite his early successes, Hannibal was ultimately defeated by Rome, and Carthage lost much of its territory in Spain and North Africa. The Third Punic War, 149 BCE to 146 BCE, was fought over the city of Carthage itself. Rome saw Carthage as a potential threat and sought to destroy it once and for all. The war was brief, and Rome emerged victorious. Carthage was destroyed, and its people were sold into slavery. The Punic Wars had far-reaching consequences. They established Rome as the dominant power in the Mediterranean, paving the way for the Roman Empire. They also marked the end of the Carthaginian Empire, which had been a major player in the ancient world. The wars led to significant changes in the social, economic, and political structures of both Rome and Carthage. One of the most significant outcomes of the Punic Wars was the Romanization of the Mediterranean world. As Rome expanded its territories, it brought with it its language, laws, customs, and culture. Latin became the lingua franca of the Mediterranean, and Roman law became the foundation for legal systems throughout the Western world. The Punic Wars also had a profound impact on the military tactics and technology of the time. The Romans learned from their defeats and developed new strategies and weapons to counter Carthaginian innovations such as the war elephant. The wars also led to the development of the Roman navy, which became the most powerful naval force in the Mediterranean. In conclusion, the Punic Wars were a significant chapter in the history of Western civilization. They were fought over the course of more than a century and had far-reaching consequences that are still felt today. The wars established Rome as the dominant power in the Mediterranean and led to the Romanization of much of the ancient world. They also had a significant impact on military tactics and technology and marked the end of the Carthaginian Empire. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.